Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds can be short, like Janisco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds could be medium, like Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects can be long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Today's sound effect we're going to talk about is the water sound effect from Strawberry Gacha, and the character is IRL Noella, Legacy Annie's 27th birthday special.
Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and today is Legacy Annie's birthday. She's 27 years old. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about the water sound effect from Strawberry Gacha. It's from a video called Omarashi, Mimi's Bedtime Accident. It was uploaded 4 months ago on May 28th, 2025. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 0:15 to 0:18. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video. It's 3. The keyboard typing sound effect will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I'm going to preview this sound effect. After that, we will sing Legacy Annie a happy birthday. See? I told you. This sound effect is only used for water ambiences, water sounds, etc. It's also used for pregnant women when their water breaks or go into labor. Now, Legacy Annie's birthday starts now. On the count of 3, we will sing Legacy Annie a happy birthday. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Legacy Annie. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday, Legacy Annie! Remember, kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Strawberry Gacha before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description below. The sound effect starts at 0:15 and ends at 0:18. Make sure you remove the keyboard typing sound effect at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode.